bagiyita principle of cause and effect. Enono oba empaji eyekireeta n'ebikivaamu ekyo ekireese n'ebikivaamu, the cause and effects. Kubanga tugamba every cause has its effect and every effect has its cause. Buli kintu ekiriwo kirina ekiba kikireese na kiki ekikivaamu, oba ekibi oba ekirungi, na buli kibi oba buli kirungi kirina ekikireeta okuba nga kibaawo. It is called the principle of cause and effect, ye principle number 6. Principle ey'omusanvu is called the principle of gender. Principle of gender era nayo eyagala kufaanana principle of polarity. Everything that has an opposite, the good thing of it and the bad side of it, but at a different degree. No saying they might be identical in nature but different in degree. Now the principle of gender eyomusanvu eri vital for families is because everything has its masculine and feminine principles. Principle ya gender and feminine, abakyala bayina principle n'amateeka agaabwe agagira, n'abasajja bayina the masculine principles, but they are all under gender. Who is the provider? Who is the captain of the house? Who is this and this? All of that is called the principle of gender. So agogo na musanvu, if you master and know them, ebirala byonna bijja kwanguyira okubiteekamu to overstand the universe. Nkugambe zigenda mu order. Principle of mentalism yesooka, it's all about your mind. Principle of correspondence, nambe as is above, as is below, as is below, as is above. That is the principle of correspondence. Bwetyo bwegwayo.